Here's a 2022 INFINITI Q60. A quicker response, effortless passing power, a refined, functional, and smart interior, the INFINITI Q60 puts it all within your control. And it comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, dual zone climate control, Wi-Fi hotspot, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, twin turbo V6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, external memory control, heated steering wheel, sport suspension, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Every inch, every feature, every innovation has been designed to inspire, enhance, and fulfill your potential. INFINITI is you, amplified. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.